Hello everyone, I'm Andrew and today we are going to be talking about how to find your system information on your Mac. So for those of you who have other Mac questions, make sure that you check out all of our other videos and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our other Mac video updates. So in today's video we're going to be showing you just how to find your system information. This is a very easy process to do. You might have your reasons for needing to find your system information, maybe just to know what you're running and what you're using, or maybe someone's asked you what you're running and you're trying to integrate different programs or different hardware onto your Mac. This is the easiest way of finding it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the Apple here. We're going to select the Apple and we're going to come down to About This Mac. And this pulls up all of your information right here. Now you'll see I've made some upgrades. This computer wouldn't normally have 16 gigabytes of memory, but that's already updated. That's what it has. It shows you what year your MacBook was created. It shows the processor you're running, again the memory, the graphics card, and your serial number. This also has a bunch of other information we can look at. Displays, your storage to show what you're running. This even takes a second and then it will calculate exactly what's taking up all your different space. You can go over to memory. So you can see I have two 8 gigabyte memory RAM installed, and then we can go over to support. This gives you all the different things that you can find as far as support for your Mac goes, and then also your service information, whether you have Apple Care or so on and so forth. This information is super easy to find, and this is the easiest way to find it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit the like button. You can also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.